In manufacturing operations, unplanned downtime is one of the most disruptive and expensive sources of loss. Most downtime does not come from the rare catastrophic failures. It comes from recurring breakdowns, slow recovery, and the same issues repeating across ships, assets, and crews. The data to address this downtime logs, work orders, operator notes already exist with us. The problem is that it's rarely accessible during the breakdown when decisions need to be made quickly. In this demo, we will see how a downtime and recovery guidance agent helps teams diagnose faster, recover quicker, and prevent repeated incidents using the data we already have. Consider a scenario where a critical asset has gone down again during production. So we are querying the agent. For example, asset 2 has stopped again. There is an abnormal vibration. Have you seen this before? Let's check what the agent says. So we can see the result. It says that yes, we have seen this before many times on asset 2. It is also showing us the history for asset 2 abnormal vibration and how it was recovered in the past cases. Say the most frequently recorded recovery actions were lubrication, adjusted calibration, replaced part. And it also tells us about the practical guidance which can be followed in case of a similar kind of issue. Start with lubrication and calibration check if not already done. If vibration reoccurs, escalate directly to the mechanical inspection. See, it is also giving us options where we can ask few more questions based on the present scenario. Compare asset 2 vibration history with the other assets. Let's see what the agent fetches. So we can see a complete history of comparison of asset 2 with other assets. The vibration unique to asset 2 is the query which has been asked. No, it is not unique to asset 2 but has been observed in other assets as well. What is different about asset 2 if the vibration is similar? The difference is it is tied to multiple failure categories and multiple corrective actions. Say electrical fault, sensor error, mechanical failure, another overheating in different incidents. And how other assets look in the same block, that detail is also explained here. And the most practical comparison takeaway. So what it is concluded is across the fleet, vibration is a shared symptom, but for asset 2, the history shows both the incidence has been closed via both quick actions and stronger actions. So solutions are there. So basically, the downtime and recovery guidance agent helps teams move from reactive firefighting to consistent execution. By reusing historical knowledge at the moment it's needed, teams reduce downtime hours, shorten recovery time, and prevent repeated incidents. So this is not about prediction or complex analytics. It is about helping people recover faster today using the data they already trust. Thank you.